and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we have got another witch casket unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing April's witch casket box. So I got my box right here. And let's just get into it. I can already smell nice things. But let's get into it and see what we've got. Oh, I'm seeing some nice artwork. So I've got my list of contents, which doesn't have prices or anything on, so I'm going to just pick things out of the box and then talk about them as we go on. But firstly, I'm just seeing some artwork. We usually do get some artwork in each box. I'm not sure which way up that goes. I think it's like that. But these are the two like little cards I'm seeing right now. And I actually love these. These are definitely going to be going on the wall. And I might even do like a video once I like get together quite a few of these. I might like try and do like a nice little display or something, and I might even end up videoing it for you all, so we will see, we will see. What have we got here? As above, so below. This is like a little bowl, which I'm actually really loving. I hope you can see it like properly, you guys, but it's just like a little black past, and it says as above, so below on it. Sorry. I talk too much, so my throat hurts. I don't want to read it until I've fingered it. So if I come to that, I'll come to that and tell you what that's meant for. Whew. So, bury your past ritual kit. I swear to God, everything at the moment is like literally just meant for me. It's really weird. You will know what I'm talking about in the future, guys. That was so like mysterious, like very, very soon. Everything will be making more sense. So it contains everything you need to bury your past and grow your future. I'm sure this is something that a lot of people would be interested in, and I completely ruined this bag. Well done, Sam. Smashed that one, didn't you, love? So we have got some cannabis. No, I'm joking. We've got some kind of herbs. I reckon there's some mint in there. I'm smelling some mint. Let's have a look. Piece of paper, mint. I don't know what that says. Marjoram and black candle. So is that a black tea light candle then? We've got a black tea light candle in here as well. I just love how these have been put together. I would love to do a collaboration with Witch Casket because so far I just think it's such an awesome website, and the subscription box is just so cool. It's a little bit expensive, but I feel like the things that you get in it add up to like the cost because of what they are. Does that make sense? So I mean, I'm really liking it so far. Okay, we have another pin / badge, enamel pin, and this kind of just looks like a little potion bottle or something. So what are we, April? So I guess, what are they going to be focusing on for April then? Like, spring maybe? Let's have a look and see what it actually says. Does it say anything on here? Ooh, okay, I'm just going to read this. There is no avoiding the issue of coronavirus at this time, so this month we focus on plant magic. And we pray that in some small way our casket will help you all to connect with nature just a little bit during this time of isolation. How cute and nice is that? I love it. Oh, we've got a special, oh my God. Is that an extra one? Have we got 2 crystals in here then? Oh, we have! Okay, I'll get onto that in a second. I'm so scattered, you guys, and I don't know. And do you know what? Let's just get straight into it because I said I'm just going to pick things up. So it does actually sound here, a special extra gift from Deb and Ella, and it's a Labradorite crystal. So I guess this is like a little extra one, which is so cute. And we do also have a Smoky Quartz as well. So we've got 2 very raw crystals in here. So let's have a little look at this Labradorite. Let's see what it says. We hope this beautiful Labradorite will help those of you in isolation through this time of hardship and change. With love, Deb and Ella. I need to get a picture of this and get this on Instagram, and I'm really annoyed that it's like July now, the end of July, because that is so sweet. But there are still a lot of people that are in isolation and not like people are still too scared to go out, so we've just got some really raw right there, and I love that. So wow, how cute and nice is that? I do want to start getting some really nice pictures of the things I get in these boxes. The only thing is, and if Witch Casket, if you do ever watch these videos, I know that you won't, I don't get my boxes till literally like the last week of the month, and I'd love to be able to do a video like straight away and get pictures up straight away so people can see what's coming this month. But I don't know whether like you send them out late or whether it's just where I am that mine tend to come like really late. That is just something that I might even try email them and say, look, I do make some videos and I'd love to be able to get them out a little bit earlier. That would be really, really cool. So we'll see how we get on with that. So we've also got a Smoky Quartz in its raw form, like literally just being dug out of the ground, kind of. And this is what it looks like. I'm so like, part of me really wants to get a rock tumbler and start tumbling rocks. I'm not gonna do that, by the way. That would just be, no, I can't. Smoky Quartz, I'm going to have to take this out because it's in quite small writing and I can't see it through the bag. But Smoky Quartz gently neutralises negative vibrations and is a purifying and detoxifying stone. A useful stone for dispelling fear and negativity and helping to lift depression, stress and anxiety. Lovely. So what else have we got? I'm seeing a little spoon. This could be to go with our bowl that we've got. So let's have a look through here now and see if we can find like wooden herb scoop. So as above so below, altar bowl. So it's an altar bowl that we had earlier, and this is just like a little wooden herb scoop. How cute is that? I don't have anything like this, which is actually pretty handy to be fair. Cute! It's a really nice wood as well. Seriously love these boxes so much. I can't get over them. Oh, we've got some cute little green candles. Thank you. Green through coloured spell candles. Love it. What's this? Oh, some tea. So we've got some wild blackberry tea. I just like to see what these smell like. I feel like I'm so far away from the camera because I'm using my 50 lens and I'm like so far away, but I look so close because I'm so zoomed in. Ooh. Oh, that smells nice. That smells very fruity. Lovely, 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 lovely. Ooh, what incense have we got today? Oak King. 20 we have in this one. We had 15 in the last pack, so I guess all the packs aren't the same. And this one's got 20 in it. They are different brands, so I guess Oak King might be the brand, or is it the scent? I think it's the scent, to be fair. I think it's the brand and the scent, I'm not sure. Oh, I like that. I really like that. Oh, so nice. I really like as well, I want to show you guys. I really like the picture, like the guy, like the tree man. I love that. They're really cute. I don't think I've got any of that brand before. Oh, I actually needed another one of these. So we've actually got an incense stick holder as well, which I did need another one of, although the hole in it's not looking very good. I'm going to have to re-hole it, but that's not an issue. And, ooh, you've got one of these. It's going to take me forever to open. It's quite awkward when you film these boxes in one go because it gets really confusing. You forget what came in what box and stuff like that. But hopefully I'll be doing them all as they come very, very soon. So in this one we've got nature and witchcraft. So we've got all different things to do with nature on this little scroll here, which is super cute. And finally, what is this? Oh my gosh. I do get excited, don't I? Oh! This is so cute! Oh my god, this is definitely getting hung up. How cute is that? Ah, my box is falling! Look, I'm sorry, look. How cute is that? That is bloody fabulous. I love that. Let me see what it says about it. Where's my thing gone? I've dropped the box and all the little polystyrene peanutty things have gone everywhere. They've gone everywhere, but it's fine. It says, well, it says on it, plant magic. Is it a pennant? Is it a pennant? It does say plant magic pennant, so that must be that. It's a witch casket exclusive, but I love that. That's so good. Literally, I haven't had a box yet that I haven't been happy with. Like, no joke. If you've been watching these videos, I haven't had a box that I've not been happy with yet. So keep going, Witch Casket. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below letting me know what you think. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in the next video. Mwah. Bye!